You are listening to the City of David Radio. You are listening to the City of David Radio.
God bless our homeland, Ghana. Onyame Ishira, Emperor Ghana, so. Nyumo, Ajawa, Jakumo, Ghana.
Now one strong to Bangana.
Maunera, Nyadeni Ghana. Allah, Eba Ghana, Lada.
And make our nation great and strong.
Bold to defend forever.
The cause of freedom and of right. Will our heart will show humility, make us cherish fearless honesty, and help us to resist oppressors, rule with all our will and might forevermore. And help us to resist oppressors, rule with all our will and might forevermore. And help us to resist oppressors, rule with all our will and might forevermore.
We are Ghanaians.
Our culture is so rich. It welcomes everybody.
We have many languages
Our country is peaceful.
and we love people.
Our freedom fight give Africa might to hold up the freedom light.
Our motto, freedom and justice, is just right. We gave Kofi Annan to the UN, Azonto to the world.
We have gold and diamond.
Our cocoa is best in the world.
And our food, oh, so delicious. Fufu, banku, wache, you name it. And our football is one of the greatest in Africa.
It's one thing that brings us together.
Above it all, God is protecting.
Forever blessing, and we will surely keep progressing.
And we will surely keep progressing. We are proud to be Ghanaians.
My glory and my future is Ghana. Please vote in this election for Ghana's glorious future.
Yes, you heard him right. You heard her right. She said, vote for Ghana glorious future. She is talking about election 2020. Who is the winner? Is it MPP or NDC? We don't talk about the other parties because we know that they are not going to win. That one, rest assured, no one will take the crown from MPP or NDC, the ruling party and the opposition party. We are here to talk about them. It's the first time in our history in Israel, the Ghanaians diaspora, especially those who live in Israel, Tel Aviv. First time we are all talking about the election in Ghana. We are lucky and privileged to have wonderful men in our studio today. One of them, you know him very well. He's our regular guest and he always talks sense. So today he's going to infuse a new sense into our blood and to our mind, our thinking. He's going to move us to another level. But we are lucky to have another gentleman, well-educated man in our studio. But so far as Ghanaians are concerned on our 24, we would like our discussion to be done in our local dialect. So far as Ghanaians outside are concerned, the untold will be told. So don't worry. A24 yebre na we say nyankopon de kama for. So me ka say adwuma yednia na we say enso akatia wom efise no bi e na we de akota asase e ho aba mansun e no bi e na we de akoma wona a wo beto aba e de yi Ghana president no e na ye kira ye nyam panifo mi no we studio ha e mu baako da bia wota besra yen oba nso a sabi me pese wasote oba okanyansasem enu nti ye kondo se da bia beto nsafre no na no akwete se mikrom harvest se Methodist for your harvest ade okura bode ene de okura mankani no papa no okura microphone was any challenger no say no challenger ene de enya challenger from the other party ono nso ba be defend the party enu nti no bibia be free and fair ewo abetu we mu enu nti we bra me kona mako introduce you me me guess wo me studio ha no yenko Ghana na yenko fa sa ade we ye nyina ya ma Ghana na yefiri ho na afi me introduce me guess a chiro to nsafre wunua se ye NDC ni MPP representatives no aba bedru studio ha omo ba be kire de obenwene Israel ma we remfi se ye abakan ye dikan eno nti se election ba na obi we Israel na obi na no ka se candidate we benwene a enya ade efa honhom obenwene because almost yan wo makwa akire eno na wo mo ba be kan we be defending the party na we defending the party asumdwe so nyame nka wo ho yo yemamo apaba ebiom senye medikan aka ye no eya 24 ebredu medie ne ya sha asi ene ye ba be kasa afa ye election na ekoso wo man Ghana mu senye da no medikan ka kire mu no yem papa yenya no ewo studio hada bia ma o shira ye no Reverend Dr. Ofori oyobi a ye share studio ya se no oba be boa ye woni bi mu obe preach about edru nso no aba be kire na adwen bebre efa nneema ekoso no nti ne ebedi kan ma wo no apaba na yewia na fi yakoye ho ho a ono ne first time oba ye show so no nso apaba Reverend yesam wo apaba bi
ya audition
yo nti e pacho am microphone no emmemo we no ma yo Reverend the last time ye share studio ha no am so concretion no wo me yeti asese the way you Mexico no wo wuji di say eye the willing party na MPP na ebe wene aba no wo da so gina ba bia wo gina na
we gina hopa say medical catcher says about we 7th December Monday ebe Ghana for nyina be botwi ni trade akwa akoto aba na about no so we ka say senia etie o ballot paper ne so no enya de ebesesa na medical so akanzo say MPP for crowd say Nanado nya less than 60% that means we lose.
A model Nanado enya less than 60% na che say we lose abano. Esa wote reverend asi ya wo patch say Nanado be win na ne win no say so nya 60. Na che say onya di first na wonya less than 60 na che say no esa so declare Nanado say wanya de sana ope sana ope achire yo no ade anyina so na wo ne kakra obetumi abobọ so ade kurenti ade a wo hu because ye nte ha se ye ka hu mo nsem nti no ye de ye hu ne de ekoso na ma wo de kan ade na wo hu nti a officer papa no betumi awone aba
yo me da say nia metumi agina so aka e ne ma si miensa Nanado eba bidi ade free 2017 January I saw ne ino who are demonstrating compassionate. This man is very compassionate. Compassionate in the sense social interventions are or they aba Ghana ama ehiafo there the pay face papa no or dream nipa ho no dream of mobrofo ho or dream man ho no making sure so say national cake you know mba maisika fo nko ana say titu for titi krokesiem e mo be stretching the wings ama every family in Ghana even ya cry you are going to cry bi aso so because sometimes they can JHS for no area school you are going to now nearby be afro na offers no past school den so this can be called but any na twacha and is a compassionate we na papa no adan e dey no kon so sometimes na you can free education and as a free SHS emudaho you good Ghana ebusue bia ifi 3 ekopem anafo ifi atoye ekopem epuye ekosi mfimfin be bia obia enya ne share ewo national cake efa free SHS ne ho but enya no nko a na ye niema bebre ye niema bi efim se ye nuanom so a ekoka akwantuom ye di omo ba ye di omo ba fie bi o Kuwait even UK cry chichin crofo e deportom di omo ko do Ghana sometimes you could do Ghana na oni so ayo who are you to talk just say utu kwan say ka kope bibia ba fie but then am nkrata same thing na say amani bi ntino na ye de waba be do fie you could do airport honoma or way for honomo nadmo for ewo honomo a omudu a ye make sure say obi nya wo han and as immigration for entity 2 who we so ya sa refresh wo minerals ni ade ho no ma on de be ma ama che say wo say we fia wo ba no ye nto ntwene but ye je wa 2 ansa na nu twam a asa de 500 Ghana she envelope mama obi bia ni pa ba ku bia nti emma wo ni je bi say at least ye de ma nka me ko say me kope bibia ba fie mensa nka nkrata semti ya che me atoma ba fie ba ye de me be du fie no ekwan ya Nanado ne na ban efa so je wa 2 no ema wakon aye den eto yem ema hu say oman no ento ntwene se ne a amanonefo ato watwene no nti that compassionate we na papa no edan na di no aso Ghana fo ani because nipa ye de omo ba fie no pia wabusu aye den free nti ko do fie na kan wasem a den etimi tache nkrofo desire compassionate no de na wasa ada ade ba ku bie de eno so courage this man is very courageous what you say oye ku bemma kukudrufo because send your team face abrofo no mo fo say asema we Donald Trump crackers Africans are shit holes but oni omo koshia omo say no sa adre no omo mani patuntum no enya sa nete na nyansa edom ti yempo ye won ye chen omo de because me tuntum a me wo omo kruma say metimi handle nearma 7 at the same time but broni all the nearma 2 man cry no I confused so handle at the same time no I confused to that courage Eddie say he is ready to face every challenge ama on minor yeden etumpon ama on my Ghana fan into my pa yeden efra ti sa de na wa dan edi no me hu president bi a other side opposition side waba watimi dance ade no ayeden edi amti ya wa akwantuom no yehu na na ye ne yeden eje ho ye to so bi o consistent papa no oyo bi a ono no on tram bicycle so no on fan sane na baby a direction bi e be bono no e de nafa onim ne aoye onim anamo otu onim ne yema Ghana ana onim ne de impuntu be yeden ebeba ano no koso fiti 2008 I started the campaign ne niema ho hyehyɛ sɛ obeye no eno ano gusu no yeden oye nti sa niema miense no okay kabo mu a na hwe de we a Ghana fo age atum na bibie ni hono ma ebetimi ama na elusu election we
elusu election we no yo oni a wotie me no say na Reverend Ofori a wo defend the ruling party MPP no say na wosia nyina so a wo a o ka se Nana Akufo-Addo His Excellency besan woni aba no ni nyina so eno no on ka se wasodaye eno on ka se Israel nyame yi a kire no no ankasa ba bia wanyina duru no wakeka nioma bomu saa na wahu osi ebinumu yema wo 500 wo airport me bompa ese me kudura menya bi
dabi omo a deport wo
ya deport wo mo stranded
no stranded no
ya chow musika we no nyina enya wo a wo kɔ no akwakojibi mesre wo na hwɛ se ya deport ansa na wakojibi enu nti no se ne da ya taye no ye studio ha ye nkontoka ya kire ya adwen mu behunu se enai owura na wo ba be defend opposition party no oti ho din me hu se wa ye hwe wa ma opani no kwan mana kasa mana no ato eno ntimi ko no so nchen na makoto nsampa e de ama no na de edika no ye ba ma wo no introduce no ho kakra bo ne din because first time oba ye dwuma edin nti opani a ye nyina ye nim se ye friend opani Chris no se din ni bi wo ha bo na wo bia nti ye mo akwa baba ye studio a
yo evangelist me da se nyame nshira na me chia wetifo ni wahwefo nyina so now okay this is the first time
ama o microphone na o ma hyase se o kasa wo fom twen akondwa no ben pa
ya me follow pa
nti no
follow kan say
fina ye to ne
on the media na there for 2 days to election I decided said no I have to come in and defend my party. I think this is the right time. Now how many minutes because I have a pack of things.
Sisia no onu wakasa wabasoda nti sisia no some can you be more 10 good minutes. Ama washa so wakasa. Afi say are you okay? Over sabambi 10 10 you okay?
I hope some so na me dey Chris. People know me as Chris but me dey say Christian Tay. Christian Tay Amedo. Na me say na this year is an election year. I got just 48 hours and a little bit. Na ya call akwa to aba. Na me jama NDC uba Israel hands so I can say me acting secretary for NDC. Fiance na to be official but I'm acting secretary for NDC. Now in fact me chama papa oti hai me try follow no pa but and then no make na adwan ba bibi so kakra. I'm say you ask the question say then the HR say me party JM and I say John Dramani Mahama and no nyamfo abrantie John Dramani Mahama. Wow, before I do my presentation God is so good to the extent say when NDC was in power Emra NDC free power no some people might be broadcast at project say oh ebia nyame ne man Nanado buy fine but God also gave the opportunity for everybody to see what Nanado can do. No more compare na nyame adum wa be transfer 4 years now we are comparing and we will see the way forward by the end of Monday. Now let's come to if I want to defend why my party is going to win, I will hold NPP accountable for what they did in 2016, whether they have been able to achieve what they promised. And no, na me me jina super e they are holding one accountable. So me say me can nia JMI for that 4 years emribet tia but every region I will throw the challenge.
Okay.
Every region upa bisame me can be JMI and I will mention all those things.
Akonya ohoma.
Very good. Now if we want to go by region, look, there are a lot of things Muhammad did, and we can't mention all. But we can talk of, if we go to Greater Accra, we can talk of Ridge Hospital, Kwame Nkrumah Interchange, Bukom Boxing Arena, Botiamo Housing Project. We can talk of the first gold refinery, Tete Kwashi. It's a whole lot of things Muhammad did. Every region had a share of the cake. Ashanti region, so there were a lot. Go to KJT market. A lot of things went on there. A whole lot of things. Nemomino NPP, Papa Nanado Nedano. If you look at election 2016, at the back one, you can find the yardstick that they used was corruption. I'm saying this because I believe and I know that JM is not corrupt. One of the things let me I said this year JM is going to win the election. Why am I saying so? Now when we look at issues of corruption now, and then go for super to aba 2016. Believing say Nanado ba oba be den ayi katashisha ni pro na eden efi ho enti Ghana fo nyina de ogide hyenimu said Nanado ba be katashisha ni pro yo because NDC by and there were some allegations ebi say sada ebi say confirm enti sada okay let's bring Nanado. When Nanado comes at the end of the day no he's going to prove to Ghana and say NDC is corrupt. That's why we lost the election. But let me tell you on the fact to say every Ghanaian can testify now and say Nanado is more corrupt than JDM. Even without admitting the fact, Minjin Tum said JM you're corrupt. But even if you want to compare the two now, Nanado is more corrupt, and I'll prove my point very well to you. That is the first thing I'm using. JM is not corrupt. Based on that, he's going to win the election again. Why is Nanado corrupt? Look, there was a man called Martin Abidu, or a special prosecutor. This man came into office January 2018. Look, the ambition of Martin Amidu did bar, and I said another friend at the bar into office, and that's how we're fighting corruption. Because of JM.
Me pasho, I am in time interrupt. You were dear be middle of a conversation. I am demand the answer.
Okay.
Appointment here the man no. I will let her no say. Your time when in your farm and I say when in him deal winty. And I will na walk.
Imagine, but
okay.
Offer no moment or describe it or move veti Amidu. Nanado can't say we see. But Amidu is a man of integrity.
Okay.
I want us to note this.
Okay, continue.
I will use this.
Let's just say Nimu say or can say.
But I will use this. I will prove my point, Senti. And yet, that is not the aim, rather. I will prove it. Over the January 2008, the mind was to say, almost a man of integrity. Adentia, when Martin Amidu was with NDC, you know, say it got to a time, Rollins must choose between Martin Amidu and Professor Mills. So when Professor Mills was chosen as the vice now, Martin Amidu, right from the word go, now on JM, the truth is only one. And after that, so there was an incident in Ghana, every Woyome case. Martin Amidu Kwan let me deny MOD Woyome court, and not only the name citizen vigilante. Okay, because of this, no, Nanado when Rishimu and Musa Babeden are fighting corruption against even the NDC people, or bet you. But Bisase, ever since Martin Amidu Bar office, no, Abua Tatie, Otmichina, Ontimichi Abuan Tatie. On Timinchi Abuan Tatie, but what really happened? Nancy Amwe Ohana TSA, Martin Amidu Wide, by resigning. Adentina, why resigning? Ordinary resignation, and I said the reasons of resigning by no. I don't know, or Sinti, he cannot live with corrupt or criminals. This can easily tell you, say, the man who appointed him, he sees the man as the mother of serpent of what? Corruption. And based on this, no, Ghana for you who say, JM is not corrupt. That is one thing. Say JM is going to win the election. Corruption with the targeting JM is not what? It's not corrupt. Now, let's go to another factor. When JM was in power, what did we see about the city depreciation? He left in power with 4.8 to $1. And they get Dr. Baumia lectures upon lectures, and that's it, you're saying 5.8. So it's your choir and I say a buyer. So you can see that JM and NDC, they were better managers of the economy than MPP. On one Baumia no Kasenti, if the city say Kosra, it will expose you. It will expose the economy. Now what are we seeing? 5.8 to 3.1. Which one are you going to choose? Then now let me come to infrastructure. I didn't believe say JM bet me answer winning. When we go to infrastructure, GM is there. When we go to health, GM is there. Me brother can be no, we can be say free SHS. Look, NPP ni bia ni ho be bisano nia. NPP aya onka free HSS. That is the only thing they know. So that's their only social intervention, saying a free HSS, free SHS. But they have even forgotten that free SHS Nankasa, it was introduced by JM. They don't know. I have the video here and I will prove it if your producers will bring it out. That free SHS, no. There was a time Napo, Matopoku Prempe went to parliament. Not on my account. Or saying JM free SHS now JM progressive one I was starting while leaving a debt of 30 million Ghana cedis.
That is it. That's a progressive one. Then I walk
exactly progressive one because the constitution gives mandate to say education SHS must be free and it must be progressive. Progressive nature say emra then kakra and to share JM pana or the share be na the air to 2 on kakra say na be ya the final free SHS will come. Yeah, pana na do buy na. We see who fiti frakupe then we see a moja neighbor. Because of voting tea, who see chinchina over you buy September now be free HSS. And now on see. But they see say oh free HSS. Sanka say na free SHS niti anka mama onko be dada.
Yo.
Anka nya bibia.
Yo.
Oh, and that free SHS na anka sanu the progressive one it was JM who started. And so na another be then ebe declare you fully. But what is happening if we go to the health sector? I wish that MPP can mention some hospitals that they built. You can't have one.
Okay, what time now? Aso. Nti ubesan baby. Ubesan baby. Enyanko baby. Okay. Because time minutes near the mouse so we defend it at the currentia JM Benwin no worker. Na yebema Reverend Kwan na ono so respond because first time utie woni no utie argument nti no yebema no Kwan na wa respond what the worker no. Reverend the unua NDC akan nie. E dey so na worker ho.
Let me say Indiana kasa ye pa dana se so say telephone e ka ebu be say ukura nanka na ujai nanka unka se mi hu yanka ana say wo de brofre ese fonton from unya obi na wasi wa yi adenti na America sa NDC maybe some in the say onya kwan over view say a socialist party social since me you Lawrence a film because when you baby come from 1992 to 2000 but me year no film now from 2008 to 2016 NDC samba view me just one social intervention NDC at the bar Ghana benefit everybody in Ghana. Me just one. Number 2. No corruption asem say corruption ti in 2016. To aba etia NDC Emma Nanado MPP ewini power. Fine. Oba no the special prosecutor ebai. Now according to report special prosecutor or reason ya aba out oko Ghana Weba obetimi a check it da ho yentro and as oko Peace FM online and I say my joy online obetimi nya wo ho maybe 2 mira na ma kire na esi obetimi a kire wo ho he say your first special prosecutor no no the budget call so be here nipa 249 on your my adwuma and a man on budget allocation so no one setting it up the administration na on fight corruption here then and my son you know I say anoma bampu matiami do ntimi e na me ka no kan say anoma bampu ntimi anchibi ofi hoya or the resignation e by over here record say nipa 2 penotimi employ him. That means he's totally failed. He's not an administrator. Now, I real baby sisu say senior NDC flag bearer, John Dramani Mama, ex on a former president, I say, or a coward, and what kind of stupidity is this? Tama or the a Japa reports nearby or a title say government official one, John Dramani Mama. John Dramani Mama response or they buy and say, Matiami do you coward? No, or Sanka say, what kind of stupidity is this? Now what you pay and resign. Tina ewie mu di sɛ NDC fo ankasa no wo de adwuma papa bi ahye omo nsa wo Ghana so omo ya omo de nsa be yeden ebisi fom now ni amigu so a me kire sɛ ebema nanado ewini election no social interventions from 2008 ebedu 2016 Ghana economy kofuo free so di ja or niema fundamentals ni good a economy or building the good intino omo ba na niema ekoso ye hu ne ye na afi etwa U10 because of bad management na economy na etwa U10 to the extent that afi Dramani Mahama at the economy ne ko share IMF wonsa say ye incompetent yen timi manage Ghana economy di bio intimo manage mine no see okay o man bia so a wontimi manage wo economy wo de be ma IMF no omo no mbe ma omo conditions
Reverend me kate won so ham se de kasa mu no o kan sem bia na me disagree no me kate no wo kasa mu no wo ma yeti ase se emra yem papa kufuo wo so no o manage sa no de be hye wom sa but me ewre mfi se kufuo nso na de yen call hepic no na sabre no na ogidi se Ghana betuma hwe ho na o de yen call ho
medasi say watch my adwen siso o de ye call hepic no yin free hepic ansa na ne time so ma na ye den e free ho
okay go on
o ti o yin free hepic beti mi abobo social interventions ahodro a even yerapofo kra edeba Ghana aboa ama Ghana economy ni here very good the term soon because 2 terms soon we are to aba na unfortunately people lose here na John Evans Atamels awenya the baby ko o winning election or transfer for 3.5 years and abamu eto ne inside den a friend na constitution so say o vice they be take you over nti obeye caretaker John Dramani Mahama be caretaker president for 6 months and sana ye to ne so aba that time no economy no na ye because John Evans Atamels so obon ne humodin bi do niam bi o ha na enye de but o tan okwadura no we ni America oye obon ne humodin bi na bamu wo to ne safres John Dramani Mahama be fa akonya na pe ana na niam to aso no economy no etwa U10 see the trust because of incompetence nti oha na omode economy ne ko share IMF nsa say IMF manage mine no say okay they be manage amamu but number 1 see a freezing yama bebre e wo omanim nti that time no na ne vice flag bearer ne mo flag bearer ne running mate awafa no obai no Jane now education minister already where economy ne kona e say ne be bi ho twam because yes Ghana yen sabesi from kra into obai ape ana teachers training allowance otwamu nursing training allowance otwamu afi tertiary students university graduates e school afi o say omuntua utility bills odini na e buy e ma cause etwa economy no etwa U10 see it as because of bad management and no free on no afei necessary we school from 2012 to 2016 no ni na tifie yem form adwon because IMF akatron say and so mo yeden omo employ private sector no government sector no employ obi abiunti na necessary every school from 2012 to 2016 omni na yeden atifie nya adwuma teacher for a school from 2012 to 2016 no omni na atifie yen form adwum omo so a wo ma me no mo titi omo moremu ehwe wo mu school so allowance ayede mo om kakra omo de bo mo ho bra wo school no so a eno so ayeden etwam ye koya kodu empempenso a students every school university graduates form association unemployed association of Ghana because after omni na tifie enya dwuma yeden enye because of incompetent management of the economy. But thank God, say Ghana for who sa or bredudu when you know, and almost 2 aba, tia NDC, Emma Nanado, a winning power.
I count 2 minutes.
Nanado buy interventions or the buy NAPCO or buy over 120,000 graduates and on TFIOMA form unemployed graduates association and only 9 years Juma a day. One constituency, one ambulance. And then constituency be a Biano ambulance or Senkasa ambulance one farm bar ka COVID-19 e buy Ghana e be fine. And no free one man planting for food and jobs and planting for food and export. 2012 to 2016 na Ghana ye crab body e kra every Cote d'Ivoire. And so ne body tomatoes then ye export it from Ghana the Cote d'Ivoire ye export it ko Burkina yes oko Mali sisi a me no kase ya ye wa agogo market e wo Burkina omo de body e ko hoye den e kokoton na sa niema power ya me kasa me ka ade be chi sa niema power ni na Ghana fo hu say no sa papa we oye consistent papa we oye courageous papa we or compassion emo man TFT ye the 4 years ascension in Sebio Ghana ebe fan into my pefra if you come and come my pensu besi ene ababe na ba party ben na ba ban mu a within 4 years omotimi abuild 6 interchanges ebi nsi ba biada ene me ne wo kase Ghana Airways a omugu no ene Ghana Airways last week while launching 5 airplanes at the Ama aviation industry. Na nipa we Ghana for sure. If you say for some better about ya no. Rena me catch us say e get there 4 more for Nana to do more no. E get there bebam. Na say me onya even less than 60% krana na we lose election.
Yo. The etansubium no ye beko owura NDC ho na wa respond o de wa kasisi ano na ye nkonkwa jinchia emfree wona woka ye ho na wo hwe ye no ye nua ba Alhassan Banda or say I am watching you live good job and ayenso Janet or say greetings to everyone no every Germany memo and ye nua from Pond said from Pond or say I really like the platform NDC is already was MPP is already win no verse Mr. Emmanuel Foley na true talk sana opache na chese supporters ni bi no ye mame ba kon free Germany memo or say what is Akuadonko's party when they represent Akuadonko obia ni ho a da no ye nua ba bi ka so be ba represent Akuadonko na ye hu no eye Odum Kofi or say Nana Afa na ye mame Esther Aduse Cromwell or say educational program tank Mami, we miss you. When are you coming back? Or Ghana na OTA Ghana for nyina president wakoshe Ghana. Esther ya or say good evening, bro. May God bless you. God bless you also. You know Kofi Mike. Or no say very good job, evangelist. Bless you, brother Kofi. And unti we adia kakra ye bit me aka the amount for a church abano. Ibi wo ha wo chro ye na call Reverend Ofori page wonti no mentumi anka wo ha. Ebi nso beko yenua Chris secretary ho enti anu nso mentumi anka enti sabre no doctor akasa awi enti no yebeko yenua Chris a represent NDC no nso no a defend no ho owura yepacho ma wano nko
you boss me that say before me continue no let me bring my brother's attention to something. Look, let's try to be more factual and contextual in our presentations. Me bibi wo hona minimum I mean kan ho asem what you say now he made mention of say Matimi do the budget we buy. Look, go to city online. Matimi do budget or the buy no be certainty whether he has been allocated or given that budget. That is the first question. He was never only baby Matimi do no nya salary free every Flagstaff house budget of for over 1,500 and something people in the Flagstaff as compared to JMN 900 and something and another use one budget then you are saying say if you want to pay Matiamidu you should be paid through that budget and to no ankasa the budget or allocate yourself or be investigators up and conform man. They have never given it to him. But every year, Biano, Oforiata a parliamentar, no, Becca, he has been allocated this budget. And one resignation, you know, what's wrong. 2 years, now in Trianica. From no longer salary every month, about 2 years, now 1 year. So there is no way, anywhere. Oh, Becca senti, Matiami Dubai, or your budget, and your man, and on Timmy and Yejuma. Look, he was never given his money. Percentage big, Phoebe, and on I have to make that point clear. Only one.
Repeat it, Homamio. What's now on Yanni Sick and free Frasa house?
Allow I say your power, your salary. If you grant appointment letter, I define 2 years down the answer, man, on your appointment letter. The appointment letter contained the salary and everything, but he didn't get it. And for him to get something to live on, they have to find him some money from the Flagstaff house.
But
what's the point of that?
Jinahaka Kramami, or you'll be a barber who share a year Kataso Mumwaso Proye, send Ghana, yes, canon.
Exactly.
And or you'll be in Swan, a judicial side and why Juma was, I saw a lawyer anymore.
Yeah.
And you know, Ghana, no. So be a government work or Jina Ketia. I didn't know at time 1 question warm.
Very good. This is some of the reasons or resigning here. The resignation. So you might not know what is under the carpet. This is any resigning.
Okay.
And to acquire answer all this day. Secondly, let me correct him something. In the Airbus, when I hear MPP talking of Airbus, it's funny. It's funny, Airbus. More idea see what UK for they have disclosed that case. Now, look, there is nowhere that of government official one's name was mentioned. Martin Amidu never, he should correct himself. Martin Amidu never mentioned government official one in that Airbus saga. The Airbus details, if he's not well abreast with the Airbus detail, I can give it to him. There is nowhere government official one was mentioned. Anchor official one was mentioned. Adena Martin Amidu atimia tranwa until me prosecute JM. Ask yourself that question. Why is Martin Amidu not able to prosecute JM up to now? Why didn't he prosecute him? There was no fact in that matter. That is the second thing you need to. Now, he's talking of, say, better economy, managers of the economy. Look, let me give you something here. When NDC was in power, they were managing the economy with 86 ministers. NPP are using 103. Me can't say so. When NDC was in power, the economic growth was growing by 3.5%. And now we can say it has been projected that the economic growth will grow by negative 0.9. He should go and find his facts right. This should tell you, say, when we say better economy, the managers of the economy, it is not NPP. Now, let me bring it down. Ask yourself, say, how much has NPP borrowed? So, see, we are better managers of the economy. How much did NPP borrow and compare it to JM? Look, when JM was leaving office, every Kwame Nkrumah time, Sahabi Sitama JM Dukono, the debt that was left was 122 billion. This was the debt. Kwame Nkrumah, Kotoka, Frifa, Buzia, Ankra, Rollins, Nana, I can't say, Liman, Omunina, debt that was accumulated was 122. JM Nidia was 56. But to do JMD, every region have a share of Putunuma Ekoso. Now let's come to Nanado. Mention Putunuma, or see why 16 targets. On mention 16 targets, Namisha. Which 16 targets did Nanado do? For where? Me then so mention 2 of it. And I will go to my archives and mention every region. What JM did. What 16 targets?
Number 1, Tema.
Okay,
hey, it is not.
No, it's okay. We have 2 minutes to become member of the parliament. We have 5 minutes.
Never. The time JM went for that particular loan, it was never. People was not in power. And tomorrow, Meshimia Mitia Shaima into that project. Now I know very well about that project. What I say, it is how assembly can. What borrow 158 billion. 2 times what the government of Ghana since independence have borrowed. What are you able to say Udisikana here? That is the question Ghanaians are asking. Mahama borrowed 56. Look at what Mahama did. He cut across. But what did Anado do? Or Cassette ambulance. Ambulance who see hospitals now who to ambulance. Hospitals bena we see. Or see COVID by hospitals bena. Yedi kogu ye. Yedi patient to kogu ye. Legon hospital e going. When they see ye. Reach the when they see it. Nanado just did nothing about it. Me 1 minute. All social interventions. Just 1 second. All social who introduced Get Fund? It's not Rollins. It's Get Fund, not social intervention. Or he doesn't know what is social intervention. Rollins introduced Get Fund. And I will tell him the purpose of the Get Fund, and I will tell the percentage that we use it for the education development. So you should go there.
Utamason. Yo, yesa kochia etiefu abasu bi no wo nchro ye kakra na yako MPP side no so respond de woko no yenua Michael Jordan ono so hwe wo Italy maimo ena onua Samuel Osei MPP 4 more for Nana 61.9%. Ono so ka wo mo ka 61 no ena yenua Emmanuel Kwame Faye Ando ono sisi MPP afa ena yenua Nana Abena osi akua donko all the way ena sisi ano yenua Kwame Nana ohine ba Kwame Asiedu ono so aba be join here onua ba Nana Abena osi Martin said his salary shouldn't pass through controller and accountant general. Oh osi sana Amedu kai Amedu ankasa kan say man sika no emfa controller ho nti obi nso dia wachro dia ba no yo obi a wo tie me sabre no eye MPP ne NDC representative wo man Israel mu na ebe defend wo various party no sisi ya kasa kwa kodru ebra MDC ni aba be defend the party nti yebema yem Reverend Ofori our represent MPP no I condemn the Okayana and I say why give no so the answer about Reverend Pachomo Anonko.
Yo, me say me da wase na me sache TFO bi say omo ya so na omu tie me pa yi. Tema interchange no. John Dramani Mama and I call negotiate loan for that interchange. But
and keep the sword cutting.
I interjected
because you also interjected.
Me 1 minute.
Muhammad did the
no. See, Mama 2 minutes.
Obetimi a check it.
See, when you 2 minutes account.
Obetimi a check on my joy online and that's Obeko Peace FM online.
Remember, see, when you 7 minutes in tickets.
Obetimi alcohol. Then Tina Baker so obetimi alcohol. No. On negotiate no MPP buy no. Omo ye renegotiation. Ama Japan for MI grant. It's yan follow anye den. Anye sa interchange ni this interchange is on kwa Japan for AMI kwa because of nanado any baumia prudent management of the economy ntino and on me che kwa. Number 2 Pokuase interchange one start here your cat sword MI awoshi to Pokuase ekwan no for the negotiate sa loan editor but a man at the time here they so here but at time I was buying no or shall say oh yeah quite from we this place Awoshi to Pokuase na interchange ka ho but went me ahead then anye John Mama so buy from 2012 to 2016 went me ahead then anye ma 2017 anado any baomia adwen kese no mo du oman ne ho no mo do e mo oman no omba ma ye denti no mo batimi ba be ye because time John Dramani Mama ohu kotokro emfa ohu tokro mfa kotokro enhyem nti no ema odi oman ne ko share IMF nsa nti IMF conditionalities ni bi ne say untimi yes such project because ye ne manage economy na ma so wa bon na untimi manage economy no na ye ne be manage e de amount de ania ye pe ana mo be ye dey mo be di so enunti untimi project infrastructure development bi bre on ma no mo de on side den atoso but thank God say nanado ne baumia buy in 2007 they have been kese omutimi eyiye free IMF they say enya IMF ne hihye ye economy ma ye bio e ma ye mra me ye distribute ma ye de ye ho ama ye ankasa ye tumi ye economy and nunti na all these interventions omutimi aye den aye this interchange na ko we obi chebilamte ama ye once in our lifetime from Nkrumah pencil uko tamale ne omo ye interchange takrade interchange den koso e wo ho no then tia because economy no oma free IMF and nunti na ma from 2012 to 2016 JDM entumi amfa nurse ni ba kompo nurse ni ba ko kura wadwum teacher ni ba ko kura wantimi amfo na ne ya kura ne say eye ne running mate obaye ya no ye education minister ne penso teacher for omo be ye adwuma for 3 years on say 3 years na ye ntuam ka ne be tuam ka 3 months 3 months no tuam ka na na do ne ba omia ba yi adwen kese ya omo wo do ne akoma power mind ho sa eka na kema ma teacher for ni na omo tuani na owo bi owo adwen pa e won san crofo we to abafo so be to aba ma han dina make say four more for nana to do more eye den be ba so na so munya less than 60% grandpa na it say omo nwini
no more winning
omo nwini me to aso bio
aka 2 minutes
nanado intervention you can free SHS and free SHS in home and now say this week Minister for Education one of the radio station person body and not share infrastructure development across all the senior high schools in Ghana because of I'm not say green and gold now because of say need more accommodation for the students na person bia banso be kafienti ana nsa ba ne gusu sisi dormitories classrooms ni ade enche me say within 1 year say Ghana for eto abane man na adodanko within 1 year no me kire say Ghana say empire ebe den ebedwa adentia nkola iko school ene day student mpo eko school eko senior high school nye aduane di ye mom aduane emo di once a day nti say o ma miniska mpo no otimi ma unso ma udare na o show school atade na obomodin akodu school a ne obedi dia onsa beka nti no wonder say nkolai etimi twa exams na ene ama NDC fo ni wu poto because Bahama ebie na no ka say so 2 billion na enya de ode be ye free SHS da e wo Ghana Emma ye call 6 March omo ko match ye to nyum say free education 419 free education 419 because omo nim fasoa e wo education e ka omo nko na nka omo kakra na omo nim ade no omo kakra na timi asu ade no omo no mbo oman no nti say we do about to abra near the 55 series ahyehyehye Manchester Dakam near the bento near the namunkurase near che the mom near dada amanfo omo moto ba and because of education ntimi dada obi abio if mu enya well educated people na very soon sa chempe so mo de ba no chempe afo mo dane o ma no say e be ni free o hwe o manifesto ni so a o ma trash ho say only first year ana o mo chempe badanado o say ne say wo Ghana card na say wa pass ya qualify to university a obetumi access loan etimi de etua school fees tertiary am wetimi wie ama wonso wetimi aba abaye nipa papa e wo man nipa we e wo adwempa adwen kese e wo man ho a ese ye de akoma patai na chi ne ye 7th December ye Monday ne ye de kokromoti e man se nana mo ene adwumapo 4 more for nana to do more
say what time ason ye be call owura NDC ho ye be ma no 5 minutes 7 minutes no ya titu afri so ye wi na che say say ono no shase nti say wa third wa 2 nti we call last one no we wi ye be move afi ya call electoral side no na ya kwa transparency ne security a wo ho ni nyina ne wo mo abehwe abato so no ye be ka wo ho asem trust a mo no wo e de ma me na wo hwe ya baso no e na wo nso no say wo trust man na wo nso waka na ya discuss kakra say kwan ye fa so ye yi ba kono ebia mo government in power mo hu bibi e na ma mo de yi no e na wo nso no ye mo party leader na appointed de yi na di no nti wo nso be ka ho asem kakra say ba ne sen na ya hwempempen so ya bedru no say okay say 7th December abato na ye kwa akoto no obi ani ho a obe wi ayen onua wo hwe ye no say watchro bibi aba na ye ready ya ebia na adekora na watchro aba no ekọ side too much na atendidie wom but so far no obi antro atendidie bia eno nti se mentumi ready afa chem ye mame Doris Asante wo se ohwe yen from Israel mo nana ya wo ye bo o se Kwame don't mind him he doesn't know what he's saying, and or can be actually will be in the pakra or can. Okay, okay. You know, I say Matiamidi is okay. You ready, sir? Saturday, no. Nyankopon and come home. Bibri say, I am many can be Michelle Jumedia. I say no. Meka say Nena medu the level be a miankasa mirror. Woman yam point so the memo my basso or more ayade. Yakora NDC or no aqua could defend it. What time no ya two a free so see our 5 minutes instead of 7 minutes. We are pep.
But you are no interjecting one thing to do.
Metin one. Now we are two, only and one to metin one. You know,
Miss Lewa, let me draw
okay.
it.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
IMF Asamoka. When JM entered to IMF, then I MP before Anka. But when they came into office, you didn't say immediately now IMF they work from it. 2 years down the line, they went for the negotiation. And then they went for another one, said they want to what? Still stay in the IMF. And they said IMF we need the power. Now we buy into power. Why didn't you scrap it immediately? Because he said, yeah, Ben, NFE IMF, as compared to the time they came into office. It was 2 down the line. They went back and then re-entered into it, went back and then re-entered for more space. It means that it was a good move that JM did. On noting that one. Okasenti, Yasisi the schools. Yasisi schools were in fact. Look, when they were coming to the past Nana Komia, their communication officer, what did he say? He said within 1 year, NPP is going to build 350 senior high schools. Because some of their social performance. Schools also almost back on America. Schools almost, out of that 350, how many years? 4. I know what you see here. You couldn't even build one school. Anything that's still in the double track is there. That is why JM is saying that free senior high they don't cancel. But obey making sure says that double track need your bed then. Obey ye for I didn't obey ye for he promised obey 200 schools. Besides sent to schools no musi. I have a lot here. Onimo I will let him know. There are more schools at JM here than AC. Sanka Osisa school we anka double track we double track. The free senior highs we are saying and yes say you. Let me ask you. Sa anka emra na MPP ba office omu ka say free senior high school na eba no. Obi abekwa shift baako bekwa no pa na baako akowia anka how many will agree to this? Sanka oba no si free senior high no ye beche mu 2 obi bekwa no obi aba no obi so akọ no obi aba anka ye be friend say free senior high. How many people will admit to it? Nobody will like it. At the free senior high now that time no demonstration. Now this was not what we were expecting. What I say, Sanka Okase beko say ya. And you see how many parents will disagree, say this is not the time we have to go into free education. But upper vote and all rushing through it. Say what do we see? Obi kwanopa no bia kwawia. Students bet me about 10 years 3 good months. And so now Sanko now we so ba. No, don't know the hassle is given to parents. Obi bet 3 years this was Sanko funny ba e call classes. Class is not the call. He's going to pay something even more than what he was supposed to pay when it was not free SHS. Last, almost every back one because Yansumana now do some for free SHS been brain. And say bet me at your maka. Kanoforia ta finance minister, or parliament. One kokasa assembly or said to one bet me at your school fees. Now budget allocation I work for free senior a million or minor. It doesn't mean he doesn't know this. Oh my should give us so. Chen pepe no cano. Look, Mahama is saying that send me buy into power. University for no mu call new year no or person starting from new year omo no mu ntuahwe na mo ho dada no wa chemu 50% obefa no mu so ma dey o ma fanya aka no. What is so pleasant more than this? This is a good news for everybody to admit. That is what he says he was going to do. Look, let me tell you some of the things that Mahama want to do. There is something we call big push. Mahama is calling for Oba government now. He's going to seek for 10 billion infrastructure project. That is the big push. It's going to road. It's going a whole lot of things. Any employment, Kabeba. He's saying he's going to give free primary health care. When you say national health insurance now, it covers just 40% of the population.
Why?
60% who are not enrolled into it. Obu ho niska. What I say? Obu ho niska. Obu ho ya kokra. Obu ho ya brewa. When Kufuor brought the national health insurance, it was covering just 40%. 60% who were not having access. And then Mahama says, so no, he's going to introduce something we call free primary health care. Free primary health care is going to take care of the lower rank of the health sector. Cheap compounds, polyclinics, district hospitals. Free. What is more? This is the biggest social intervention so far. Because with the national health insurance, it's a good thing, but at the end of the day, some people are not being road to. But Mahama says he's going to do that. Mahama is going to. He says he's going to take what National Apprentice Program for 100,000 youths who are youth no person call international apprenticeship you are not going to pay because there are more youth almost person who enter international apprenticeship but they don't have the money. JM is saying that when he comes into office 100,000 youths they are going to have that what free obian jaka who person kwa who person kwa. So when we talk of some of these things people should not come close. Once if you give me time I will tell you how corrupt.
I can't 1 minute. Tell me.
Oh boss.
I can't 1 minute.
Ejapa. If I have the time to talk about it, MPP now, MPP of Kufuor time, no, MPP ni yo. MPP is not a bad party those days. But see, MPP now could dig in Kufuor kakrebi in Kufuor fian Gabio Chidaku, Ken Ofuriata, Ken Nimbaku, I could do a semu family and friends be nepotism be amuni nanadu ama to the extent say some few group of people are enjoying. That is the MPP today, and that is what Ghanaians have seen. Say, if possible, we have to kick these people out. And yes, sir, many gold royalties. A minimum, some similar come Nanado say, the minerals, bauxite, or the Akwaja gold, or the Akwaja Esla. Maybe my brother is not updated. I will educate him. Esla, or the Akwaja Get fun, or the Akwaja And with all these things now, my mention, some you call details, sir. Ghana is not going to have any percentage in these things that I've mentioned. Or the Akwaji Awuwa standing for Lombia or Nunu Pe. No person in the family and friends because you chop and
what time
for how corrupt Nanado is. Look, people are saying Nanado is not corrupt. Who's not corrupt?
What time naso? Yo. Wakasa mono. Sisi anke ye babe move akwa different segment. Ye wie side na mo defend them party no. Obi aka ne de 33 but wo kasa mu no assembly wo ha memma na konya kakra mo aka invest de no say mahama ba o bibi a me put in this way like a 50-50 eye wo mu dada no reverend we respond kakra wo ne ya adwen say ya de pa na nya de for 1 minute because anke ye wie de ba mpesa o respond
say ne mpanifo kan ne say wo de wa no don nwera ebi nwo ono angasa ochro ni book my first coup d'etat because ono aka say ono angasa kontimi ndwin straight because ono angasa no nema bi ho no ma o kasa odwen na ato afa nche nti Ghana for nsem bi o ha o ka yemfa nyasem adentia because no all cast me Matia my twa adwa be si Matia me dudie ne so de Japa deal ne ba sisi ya no Matia do the tag
on so sisi ya de yanke wi o 1 minute me mo respond investi you know but so obey you so aka de for Friday don't have any problem that time that
or the tag to na me say me yi eno here dey efri ho Matia me dudie no Matia me dey report about ka say government official one John Dramani Mama na say ma John Dramani Mama ebe kan ye ene say Matia me do he's coward and what kind of stupidity is this? I feel okay one fa government official one no anka ejapa deal and one number say so one kasa den ana John Dramani man
respond or
1 week pepe ana Matiamidu resign no okay oba schools there amoka say almost see day schools are Dramani no catcher say within a year obetimi esi 240 schools day schools ama Ghana for and I say free SHS all free on no man the report or yeah will see only 49 so called parliamentar a year report on the call parliament no any correct report they say 24 penum timi see inti say nipa we so oba no san be share ebo bio say oba na oba be ye chempe ama ye man no university e see tie na man say to na asem niku e say to na asem because o ye nipa ono ankasa kasa ono ankasa kuntimi ndwin straight na nipa ntimi ndwin straight be den ye de o ma ye den ahye ne
1 minute no aso yo we de me man no 1 minute man sisi and ye wie defending your party no
it's almost 30
no
only 1 minute I need to come back
no obeka she bibia se me pa show after segment ne de nyame ada roma ya dey ye wie ye baba call at the foforo ho eno ntino mema mo kwan ma agye mo home 1 minute na mo cool it down na mo ankasa mo nya behind the scene discussion na ye wie na ya san to aso we bra ye befi ye ko sa side na just say the dwumadie no ba ewiye
me responding to your kind na
because I don't need the ewiye ho
oh there be one can true
and I'm just and I'm just
on the fact I need to correct him we are educating the public
matter say me man 1 minute no e man de ba wo invest asem na wo kan ye no because na ye ne kasa na wo challenge ye ntino we dey feature me na ye call different ayidi na person use time no e dey respond beginning na we to me refer na say matter full time no say ne be ya me fair no ntino ye be call akontufo ho ne akohwe de akontufo achiro no na ye wi ya ba beto aso ye ma me Esther ya was for more for Nana and why be so na achro bibi ediaba Kofi Mike or say good okay say so far no respond a yanyani wa person wo chro bibi bra no chro bra na yemfa ma yenkwa kwantufo ho na yenkwa nkwetie enwom ba ko akwantufo enwom no na yewia na afi ya sai ababak nyankopon ene wo boafo
Evangelist Isaac Kobe, the city of the David Radio, Amo Israel. Any Akontufonia, Munumio, Sylvester, Akontufoya Breso,
Naminia Kamafo,
Ajumaya,
I sang at Yawamo, Epiania Ditosha, Epiania Didier.
Akontufoya Breso.
Naminia Kamafo,
Ajumaya,
I sang at Yawamo, Epiania Ditosha, Epiania Didier. Obi manso, just say be a micro, ya make it. Micro, just say be a many bonny mini bonny and I say me on Sansani. Yes, he can send a man to buy. Obi manso, bravo. It's the other way. I think 1 year. Ebefia Mayaji any.
You are listening to the City of David Radio.
Yanu Akontufuo, Mama Baba, Rena Membe Papa. You say, Papa, Meswabeko, Musha Musapo Muslo. Nena went to Mianqua, Ochabeko, when you got a Sutadio, and fear your son won't be, and fear your son soon. Second prayer.
You are listening to the City of David Radio. You are listening to the City of David Radio.
Yo, yes, say agrono aya jeno na de sa nkurasefo. Maniaji ankasa maniaji every say ye wo adesua esua free NDC MPP e wo man Israel mu no. Just omo suban akwa say Jesus asefo pepepepepepepe. Omo de omo ano be kontokwa but omo nsa de enko. Me say behind the scene no omo di agro omo maniaji. Na wo hwe wo mokasa mu nso a mature talk sa na na kind of no o se we dey mature talk when mature pa wo anyi e wo de o mokam obi anso defending the various party pepepe ye ni agi sisi ano abato oba so Ghana ye da Nyankopon ase se Kwame Nkrumah breso aba besi ne ye bibia ya abato sa na ye de am nemum emra ye de enter into democracy no every Lawrence abreso odikan di anim emra for bi kan say eye soldier abreso eno ye ya no se afidie ma yi soldier atare no agu nso no hye no fie nkakra enti no eno no 1992 ena o hya ase o de ye nyina de wura kabi mamenka bi eno no eman so tumi ka bi pa edidimu na ba beduru enemre isu aye nua ye maame ye grandmother akuadonko nso astande bi ena ono Lawrence yire nso eka ho bi kwanya kase a wo ha magana omo nso wo ba ono nso ewo makonya awo ho pa ye bompa ye se nkwara ne yawo mu Israel ha bi be stand wo Israel ha daachi ma no yɛda mo ase bebi sisi abatoɔ no ayɛto Ghana no wemra yɛhyɛ aseɛ saa yɛba beduru emra yɛm papa yɛfrɛ na Afarijan ɛbɛso mu na ɛba yɛm papa kufuo no mo abrɛ so beduru Sharoto sɛ so efiri Sharoto sɛ saa ba beduru Jemensa no mehwɛ afidie yɛnya matu ɛwɔ ho side ɛba ne sɛ na sisi ama no ɛna elidi sisi a doctor mpacho mo ano enko
yo and say at the papa say AC because ma enso wo ntotoye ne akwenya pa efa amanyosem ho eba niema ensuko yi because wo oba wo fie kra hwedewe ototo niema pa edema the Bible kra ma yeti asese oyire pa hwan ana obenya that means niema pa ewo yenua emma no na o ma demonstrate you say Charlotte say tama Afarijan fi ho no Charlotte say eba and the time ana 2016 omoto aba because 2012 na Afarijan the 2016 omoto aba but opposition ni win here no or a bold etimi declare ema ye opposition no ebe fa akonya no ye den edi so that means say good and sana omo free so omo laws and regulations say all no say when me and so I'm writing you here then if free ho nti emra kwan so because I am kwan so anka me didi say ka Sharoto say be to me akokot ama that time maybe anka watwe but emra kwan so and omo fa so omo di ni free ho no president so SI appointee or by view omo process omo fa so if you feel so meet all the standard ultimi go through our by easy but oba enso no ne niema bia waye no chese ampa oye oba kukudrufo a onimni a oye yeah because we said 2019 to aba for referendum say ye the regions no 6 ebe den ebe ka ho ansa na almost to aba for the regions no and also bibia ko yi if you hold no more COVID time no ye say obe new registration amount for train mua saying ye na COVID na then time market so ani ade but osi ne boka cho say time market no bitimi aye den aye but oye smart registration no echo so perfectly as see am no ka say over 17 million Ghanaians are register omoba beto aba so aye na djuma ye pa
maybe sir mema na bam ba wo kasa mo maybe sir question kakra wo be say eduru ono so na ono so kasa woni kasa mo say me bisa question na mabisa wo kasa mo no wo say ye ma me Jemensa bae no wanya kwenya de nnuema atutu ye ma omo hu so ye do you think say ye to aba ye change government no the new government then no MPP government no womo ama Sharoto say time ama wanya kwan no so antutu nnuema bia anka ye be hu so no so ya do you think say they are unfair
o say enye yisi omo gina omo baby nko anyi obi na detective omo wo omo rules and regulations omo principles on the ejuma ana say emrani wan famra kwan so anyi bibia ye wo kwan a ye do ye den e fa so nti ye do fa sa kwan so na emrani diwa o ye den si ye den ye you free ho because e emra ana ye de ye den ebu o man emra na ye de ye ejuma nti yisi na ye emra because anwan fa emra kwan so anke betimi akokot ama wasan aba bedi the position bio but emra no nti e free ho no mo no free ho no ki emra na yi ni free ho enye party bi ana be pamo ni free ho se sorry ko se nka sa de a nka Afarijan time man for try from 20 the year 20 man for try as o me yi ni free ho nka party bi anka o betimi aye den e free because ye ra kofo pra betan so 8 years MPP for twenye try as o be Afarijan den e free ho then so anye yi nti no say ye pamo obi say ye pamo free ho keke dia enka Afarijan no mudi kan ye den e pamo no e free ho but emra ana ye de ye adwuma nti emra na ede emra na ede eye mami ye mami Jemensa ede buy and all the better transfer buy and some tutorial na you good because registration e cost so am even regions are no more kasa say na the soldier for be go na den every year crown statistics nature say even this time crown registration crown register and high. Okay. Ti akoso kama. Nti efi ho nso ana ya beto aba Monday yeah, is it Tuesday special voting. Special voting so mo to aba no o manya problem bia. Yeah, nti bibia akoso asumdwe pepepe. Nti mi gidi say entotoye ne niam a waye na ye. Se ye ne o pese wo check say udin or register ni ma na wo phone wo short code na. Wo phone so na ye den a show. Ene so ko do verification ansa na ya mo ato aba no. O thumb print and I say o fingerprint entimi and show cra weni ebetimi akachi ama ansana say no 20 ansana dey akọ manual verification but special voting no on my tia say even o manya one even manual verification cra nti that means niama koso no den ya human institution there obenya challenges kakra but utimi hu say niama a omugusu ye no the economy and waba out to say on GDP pass within after election after about 7th December no or GD say within 24 hours so bit me
sorry sir me catch hono your next topic we be discuss about that other say your chinanimro say Sunday no anytime be ebe no e kan your topic we be kan ho asem because it's the second time I will raise this issue no and me as a host, me were a little bit question based on good things now on one kasano I'll put you in place no any 24 hours no me was in here no ya beba ho into no me katoka kran and I was some campaign
and me the campus is to say ama even Supreme Court ground so e de omo mrani bia na eso akata o madan edi say according to omo tutu emu ne 2012 experience omunya ya court take about 8 months plans and omutimi ema omo judgments no they say about out say within 42 hours is it 42 days yeah within 42 days no omutimi they say even say to abani wie
na kasa ho
obi ntibi bia say no challenge e court within 42 days omutimi they judgment ahead about that means on to any bibia ahead koso ama Ghana crown with me aka see you the America for credit because America about to win a see you know ama who say Ghana yekoye
yo ora NDC mama no almost about 7 minutes ama na kasafa Ghana ada see electoral commissioner and as a commissioner no the overcome for senior mekan obet masha see free baby understanding saba besi emra emami no the ensha see free say are you happy say this time the man LED to election
you be that see
7 minutes
all right me the 1 minute we call yeah kai school at 7 no or see you promise 200 and I build 49 is it not even better than what I promised 350 you didn't even deliver one that is my first point now now let me come back to in fact God created woman in a special way some kind of heart via who do multi institutions are and to share entina we share NDC we have time and we have love and we have assurity in women now young papa JM share ya no said no this year no obefa oba as vice tino fa na opokwadima say what ni vice nti ye ma de adwomudi nti ma ya form Charlotte say anyway there na ye hope say anka things will go well but unfortunately no Charlotte say side no they didn't treat Charlotte say well let me tell you something Charlotte say ni you know mo yin no MPP planned it long time when they were doing the let my vote count I said today I will educate my brother when they were doing let my vote count almost until the voter register has been bloated. Ukasa na Baumia said Togolese phobia. Was that time the voter population was 16 million. 16 million. Almost a bloated Togo Fabe rape. And Tisadia, if they win, they will kick out Charlotte said. That was where that perception came from. And Charlotte said, yeah, no person will to create a new register. That was their motive. And I wish I see Mrakwashi. Look, we have something we call president discretion. President, with me, you will be on my reason. Now why you see majority so they are kicking the panel out. Look, one thing when you want to take somebody out, maybe in a court case, you have to provide the name of petitioners. Bisami say omo this case way. And the court man Israel omo ye investigations omo yi Charlotte Sefion. Who are their names? They are ghost names. Right from the word go now, that petition is dead on arrival. But the president used his discretion, and then the majority also used their discretion to kick Charlotte Osei out. And then he was saying something, say Charlotte Osei, Anka Nyemra Papa Swa, Anka the court. Look, let me tell you, the moment Charlotte Osei was kicked out, he had an appointment in UN election. He had an appointment. If you are somebody with question mark, they won't give you that appointment. Until he decided, processing everything, Kweku Bakum, MPP from Kasa generally, what did he say about Charlotte? Or since Wapa and Kobema Charlotte Osei Baba, because they treated the woman unfairly, he wanted to go to court himself. Charlotte Osei called his lawyers, they started, and now lawyers say appointment now, he need to withdraw. Anyway, then, Okin sent him on pursue that case because of a bigger appointment. And Charlotte Osei so try to send him and he from Rakwansu. Who are the petitioners? Who are their names? And it was dead on arrival, but they have the mentality to take him out. Who's the procurement bridges? Procurement bridges, Massa. And you can say, you can't see a Jin Mensa need the Awabe, Yamini, Nanka Yanina, Bompire, who say, Anka Jin Mensa, Anka, but to Tunyame, Nanka, Yaji, when Mamut says, and what you did. But this woman just flopped. The woman just flopped from the word go. It is only this time that they made IPAC useless. IPAC, Interparty Advisory Committee, because under this Jane Mensa, what is happening in IPAC? What of non-entity political parties? Obia or your 0.01 vote point. Now the number say IPAC just because you want to get majority. So this woman has just flopped. When they wanted to procure BV, time name him and can go to the detail. Facial verification equipment now the process was some family. Let's go into it. I will give the outline. What Jim Mensa really did, because I'm on a rush. I had wanted to Ghanaians understand, because a Japan deal say Nyama wa Japan deal pa corruption. Post a Japan America.
No, Electra. Your topic is here, Electra.
All right. And what I'm trying to say is Jim Mensa, we were thinking, say, and Kanyama Bekoye, but they have polluted the Jim Mensa not free fan, but Aye is not MPP affiliation. Aye was Jim Mensa was the head there. It is until they have planned the thing already. And also process I have say, you can say you voter exhibition. Most of the facial recognition. Besides, out of the how many police stations do we have in Ghana? 33,000 police stations. They use only 500 facial verification. And to say, "Eko tu abano na nyang panduri baby yamfa facial verification device anko nobody is akotuso na nani amba. What is going to happen?" But mujisika your procurement was ade no say mo de kwakoto. Sade mani nyina wefa. Wow, enti nyame anim ni anka oba de ye nim se oba ubetimi ayden a present hu yie. But for Jim Mensa processor, what you have bedu enne no. Me catch all the facts say NDC party, we don't have trust in Jim Mensa. The only thing we have now is to be very vigilant. That is the only thing we can do. But Jim Mensa mon party says here what trust what Jim Mensa mon party. I don't think say NDC we have that trust. That is why our president JM said that we will never accept a flawed election.
And you ever come once Sisi ano Mr. Tamino Asom and Reverend if say me ma mumie no time obi a the bekasa afa ye electoral commissioner na say womu aya appoint womu Sisi ano mo hwe so ye ma no wachre wadwon no so achre na adwon na ye next program no ye wo topics bebre ho a ye bekasa afa ho enti no mema mo akonya mesre mo ase Sisi ano ye nkra enti mema okwan ama wakra o etiefo na wachre position a nipa na wo representing an order for 1 minute no wachre o mo wi a na wo no so ana this time mo no nko first na wo mra okay enti wo bako we na wo ye government in power enti no 1 minute because you see omo be next program na ba na wo be san ba biom eno enti no chire position a nipa na wo pese ento aba no ma no ewo 1 minute na chi otiefo no party members nyina
yo me chair MPP for you na wo wiase afa na ni na especially Ghana for because some na mo beto aba na ye wa ma no na de yentimi ento aba na nado edasro ho number 1 enti ukudu ho no mo a bo modern say yisi official no de or the paper no ema wa hwechire say wa stamp because on stamp ya anya de ye be kan enti hwechire say wa ye den wa stamp a paper cho ink no bo modern say odon kukurumuti bebom Odi Boma Nanado anim ho no box bi ho number 1 patro ma remfi to to ma Nanado a okwa no asan kwaje another people no na ye parliamentarians no nti parliamentarians no so baby osono da no ne papa da ro ha na ne ba ne so da esoro ha number 1 no wato am because Nanado ewini a ohia majority of parliament no ni o ma eden ebu awanti Ghana fo a mokoto abomagye Nanado atum no hu se oye opening pa odi oman nimu a oman benya ne ntoma pa efra no mesre mu amonko na monkoto aba 7th January Monday a ebe so betimi afifi anopa 5 am or the kosala 7 o'clock no ma chance on beto akopim I think 5 o'clock na ya wi a pacho brabe gina obi ne yenkan na hunu se Nanado odasoro oye number 1 e wedi number 1 no be koso edi number 1 akopim se ba omianso beba 2024 ngo ba be di number 1 na wawini na fe Ghana eni onyam ne Ghana nshira nyame ahyehama adedi pepepe obia ba amuntie no number 1 aneko
yo ora 1 minute yam see time na time mo anonko 1 minute
yo NDC for yamu bi wa kwantu mu obi mu wa kwantu mu timitu government officials mu timitu abani bi ntino enya se bia ya ye wa kwantu enya timitu na misre NDC fo amukọ akoto aba 7th misre mo a JM onumunyamfo JM order number 2 wodi ase 2 no kra na sebita frache sebi woni twa hwe umbrella wodi onya hu umbrella ne design wo ho a na wodi kokromoti na eden ato so because JM no wabeye bi nia waye nyina yenim na Nanado sa ni family and friends business yesre mo ala before Ghana betime anya ntuma pa fra no this is your kikisa family and friends nepotism ni corrupting so say be samba this is a claw mu fi on tentem ntime sra mu kwa mu hwe umbrella na mu fan to JM udi to wo wi a
ajima ko ajina de
MP no so no na mu dey den mu dey see MP no so because he needs the MP and I'm assuring you that this year we are taking the seats that we have lost. NDC will come out with not less than 150 seats. And to be Sram Ghana for, but Nyanya Hiani Asumbe, the Sre, Udia Soko to Abani, we are, wet me a coffee. The time banner King Kaya, wet me a kind. We are now side day. Wako fear, no mom yesterday, or be officer or the Basa, we have by election we move because officer will lose you know, we are vigilant and we will match them boot by boot. Without one say,
yo. Menso meda masibe
good for Charlotte
yo atiefo amutie ye no ene ba bia Ebenezer Nyankopon de ye na binu sane ya mekan ye no ma Israel mu de ye kire ya dwen ye nkontokwa mo host evangelist Azekobi. I'm always at your service, but God is in control. And then me tree ayeye amaminya Reverend Dr. Ofori ono ne doctor de no onwo pane o nimdie e no de wo ena yenua tenso no ono so university graduate ono so no honam de susa nso no nadwene mu do ono so aba be defend ne party NDC so wo sambra power many agibebre because me a peacemaker me mpentokwa wo mo mienu asan agiatum se Sunday no on by Sunday ya juma time nteno no be ye a little bit late hour na ye no mo be ka time no na ya mo ansa na Monday no but ochina nso no yesa wo ha nti omo mienu no de obenya akonya bi aba no ye ne betena program is no ochina yesa nso so aba be kasa afa election ho Nyankopon enye wo boafo medin the evangelist Azekobi. Bye bye for now and may God richly bless Mother